Hello friends, this is a 2 mark question on DBMS on topic SQL. The question reads as follows. Consider the following table structures. The first one is create table with table department having two attributes, department number and department name. Department number is of type number and is a primary key for this table. Department name is of type varchar2 and has length 30. Similarly, create table with name employee and having three attributes, employee number, employee name and department number. Employee number is of type number and is a primary key for this table. Employee name is of type varchar2 and has length 30. Department number is of type number and references department number field in table department. And we do cascading delete or update on this table whenever a record is deleted or updated in the table department. And we are asked which of the following statements is false for the above table structures. The given table structure in the question is summarized as follows. In the employee table, employee number is the primary field and department number references the primary key of the department table. So whenever a record is deleted in table department, we delete records in table employee with matching department number. Similarly, whenever a record is updated in table department, we update the employee table when the key is changing, that is department number is changing in the department table. Now let us look at the options. The first option is insert into department is always successful. This is true because we can insert a record in table department without affecting the employee table. The second option is update on department is always successful, which is also true because whenever we perform a update operation on any record in department table, we need to change employee table only if the department number has changed in the department table. The third option is delete on department is always successful. This is also true because whenever we delete a record in table department, we also delete all the records in table employee where the department number is same as the deleted records department number. Now the fourth option is update on employee is always successful. This statement is false because if we update a record in table employee and change the department number field to a number which is not in department table, which will violate the referential integrity constraint. So the update operation on employee table will fail. So the correct answer to this question would be option D. Thank you.